If we learn how to love one another, we can make it. Let us just try to talk to one another, we can work it out. Can we just try to live with one another, we can live in peace. Come let's live, come let's give to one another, we need unity. No one left behind, no child left behind. God's children, no child. No one left behind, no child left behind. God's children, no child. Can we just lend an ear to each other? Need to understand. If we see with our eyes, understand with our heart, we'll have His mercy. Can we learn to respect one another? We need harmony. Can we learn how to live with each other? We need unity. No one left behind, no child left behind. God's children, no child. No one left behind, no child left behind. God's children, no child.
One time, no one left behind. 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 Now what you talking about? God's gift that you can't find between these little brown eyes of mine. And what I see is a whole new era. It's a feeling He can show you better.
There's no song, composition that can mention His description. He always there, yep, but never missing. So pay attention, like class at Princeton. His son died for us, now that's commitment. I know conditions ain't the best to live in, but we gotta teach the kids to be compassionate, cause they the ones who gon' be here after us.